Hello, in this session, we'll see Theorem 3 on the Hermitian and skew Hermitian matrix. So, it says that if A is a square matrix, then A plus A transpose conjugate will be a Hermitian matrix. And also, A minus A transpose conjugate will be a skew Hermitian matrix. Now, here we write if A is a square matrix. We haven't mentioned that if the matrix is a complex matrix or a real matrix, because being a real matrix is just a part of a complex matrix where the imaginary parts are zero. So we'll try to see how we can say this. So let's say we have a matrix A, and then we have to check that A plus A transpose conjugate is a Hermitian matrix. Now, if we can say that A plus A transpose conjugate whole transpose conjugate is again A plus A transpose conjugate, then we can say that this sum of the matrix is a Hermitian matrix. So let's try this. We'll try to find the transpose conjugate of this result A plus A transpose conjugate. So as per the property of transpose, we can write it as per the property of conjugate, we can write x plus y conjugate as x conjugate plus y conjugate. So this becomes A conjugate plus A transpose conjugate conjugate whole transpose. Now we also know that A conjugate of conjugate will become A itself. Therefore, this becomes A conjugate plus A transpose whole transpose. Now, as x plus y transpose can be written as x transpose plus y transpose, so this becomes A conjugate transpose plus transpose of A transpose. And since transpose of the transpose is the matrix itself, so this can be written as A transpose conjugate plus simply A. Now since the sum of matrix is commutative, I'm just changing the order as A plus A transpose conjugate. And this is nothing but our initial matrix which we have started with. So let's say if I'm saying this is B, then we are again back to B. So therefore, we can see that B is equal to B transpose conjugate. Therefore, B, that is A plus A transpose conjugate, is actually Hermitian matrix. Similarly, if we consider a third matrix C as A minus A transpose conjugate, now if we can prove that C is negative of C transpose conjugate, then we can say that C will be skew Hermitian matrix. So let us try to find C transpose conjugate in this case. So this will become A minus A transpose conjugate whole transpose conjugate. And again, as we know that conjugate of x plus y can be written as x conjugate plus y conjugate. Therefore, this becomes A conjugate minus conjugate of the transpose conjugate whole conjugate. Now, since this can also be written as A transpose minus A conjugate transpose, we know that x conjugate whole conjugate becomes x again. So our result is A conjugate minus A transpose whole transpose. And since x plus y transpose can be written as x transpose plus y transpose, this becomes A transpose conjugate minus transpose of the transpose. And since tra- transpose of the transpose becomes the matrix itself, we will get this as A transpose conjugate minus A. Taking negative common, we will have minus of A minus A transpose conjugate. And this is nothing but negative of C. So, since C is negative of C transpose conjugate, as we have proved, we can say C, that is A minus A transpose conjugate, will be skew Hermitian. So we have already proved both the part of the theorems, that is, for a square matrix A plus A transpose conjugate is a Hermitian matrix and A minus A transpose conjugate will be skew Hermitian matrix. Thank you.